You ever sit down to study, open your book, and your brain says not today? You scroll, you delay, and at night guilt hits hard. You promise yourself Kal se paka. But Kal never comes. I have been there. If I could go back, there are 5 lessons I would tell my younger self. That would have saved me years. First lesson. Motivation is a lie. You think you need motivation to start. But the truth is action creates motivation. Your brain gives you dopamine after you begin, not before. So do not wait. Just start for 5 minutes. That is it. Once you start, your brain warms up, and it becomes easier. Second lesson. Discipline beats motivation. You will not feel good every day. You will feel lazy, tired, and distracted, but discipline means you show up anyway. Even 20 minutes is enough. Just do not break the habit. Consistency is what changes you. Third lesson. Passive studying is wasting your time. Reading again and again feels productive, but it is not. Use active recall. Close your book. Ask yourself, what did I learn? If you cannot answer, that is where real learning starts. Fourth lesson. Your environment controls your focus. Phone nearby means distraction. Messy desk means distraction. Fix your space and you fix your focus. Keep your phone away. Study in the same place daily. Your brain will automatically focus better. Last lesson. You do not need perfect days. You will fail sometimes. You will feel low sometimes. That is normal. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Even slow progress is still progress. I know it is hard, but you are closer than you think. Just do not stop. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend. We are improving one step at a time.